Hi guys, in this video we continue to talk about scripts in Tesla SCADA 2. Today we'll talk about scripts in ST, Structured Text Language. Structured text for Tesla SCADA 2 is different from PLC programming language defined by PLC Open in IEC 61131-3. This language is text-based compared to graphic-based function block diagram. If you are already familiar with high-level programming languages like Java, PHP, Python, and C, structured text will seem familiar to you. The syntax of this language looks like the syntax of a high-level programming language with loops, variables, conditions, and operators. This is not very complicated, so there is no point in stopping here. All this can be found in the user manual. Also, the structured text language for Tesla SCADA 2 has a number of built-in commands, functions, grouped into libraries. A description of each function is also in the user manual. In scripts, you can use tags, objects, and access servers. In order to be able to compile this code, the name of the tag, object, server must contain only letters of the English alphabet without spaces or symbols and must not begin with numbers. Let's look at how to use the ST script using a simple example. We have a motor object that has two parameters, state and speed, and we want to use a field color depending on the values of the state and speed. For these parameters, we created two tags, speed and state. Now let's move on to creating the script. Set name, change language, structured text, select the type. To help you better understand the types of scripts and their usage, look at the table. Type General. The script of this type is bound to the whole project and has the following execution types. On data change, executed when the text values used in the script change. On start, executed when the project starts. On stop, executed when the project is closed. And on click, executed when the mouse button is clicked. Type Screen is bound to the screen, and it is necessary to bind the script to a specific screen. In the screen properties, go to the script field and add the script to the collection. Let me show you how to do it. Go to Scripts field and add our script to the collection. Type tag. This script is executed depending on text value. It is also necessary to bind to a specific tag and specify the value of the tag at which the script will be executed. Go to Tag Properties, choose Tab Script, and set these conditions. So when this condition is true, the script will be executed. Object type. It is bound to the object. It is also necessary to bind the script to a specific object. We'll see how to do it later. The script of type object can be executed on date change when the text values used in the script change, on create when an object is created, on destroy when an object is destroyed, on click when clicking on the object. Report type. It is bound to the report, and it is necessary to bind the script to a specific report. It can be done in the same way as the script of type screen or tag. In our case, we will create a script of type object, execution type on data change. So when the values of the tags used in the script change, the script will be executed. Now we can write our script. I have already prepared the script. Let's look at the script in detail. To access any tag, you need to specify tags, then dot, then specify the name of the tag, which value we need. So the first line of our script means if the value of the state tag is equal to 0. Next, we turn to the object, or rather to its property. To do this, use keyword object, then dot, then object name, then dot, and then the property name. You set the name of the object yourself. I remind you that it must be in English without spaces or symbols and must not begin with numbers. The name of the object properties can be found in the user manual. In our example, we use the fill color property. And now we specify the fill color. Let's go to the user manual and see how we can set colors. Color is represented in RGBA format, where we should set hex format of the color, red color, green color, blue color, and transparency. And it's also possible to use standard colors by using keyword color. The name of the color is represented in the table, and here is its code. Thus, we set our first condition. If the value of state tag is equal to 0, the fill color of the motor object is red. We similarly set the following conditions. If the value of tag speed is greater or equal to 0 and the value of tag speed is less or equal 500, the fill color of object motor will be green. If the value of the tag speed is greater than 500 and the value of tag speed less or equal to 1000, the fill color of motor object will be yellow, and in all other cases, the fill color of motor object will be this. It is blue color. We can also use keyword this to turn to the object because our script is of type object and will bind our script to motor. So after you have written the script, be sure to run it by clicking on the button on the toolbar. And here you can see the compilation of our script. Next, we need to bind the script to the object. Go to the screen, find our object, open Object Properties, find Scripts field, and add our script to the collection. Well, now let's check it. Save and run the simulation and set different tag values. So as you can see, our fill color changes depending on the values of the two tags. That's all. Write if you need a video on other types of scripts or how to use some functions in the script. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching.